This is Panasonic Lumix FZ300 digital camera. Comes nicely packed. There you go. The design is compact and the weight is only about 1.5 pounds. The build feels solid and this is dust and splash proof. This has a comfortable and firm grip for better handling. This point-and-shoot camera has a 12.1 megapixels MOS sensor. Here is the function button. Menu options. Display. Playback. Focus lock. This has tilt and swivel touchscreen monitor. This helps you take pictures from any angle or position. On top, we have a rear dial. Video. Zoom and shutter button. Function buttons. And mode dial. Use this switch to open the flash. At the bottom, we have a card and battery compartment. This has a fixed DC Vario lens with a constant f2.8 aperture. The lens has a 25 to 600 mm zoom range, that is a 24x optical zoom. Comes with a strap. Battery. Wall charger. USB cable. Lens cap. Lens hood. An instruction manual. Let's set this up for a quick demo. Let's try this outdoor in a low-light situation. The 12.1 megapixel high-sensitivity MOS sensor is great for low-light conditions. There you go. The picture quality even under low light conditions looks outstanding. Overall, this camera is loaded with features, great for both videos and stills, designed for everyday use, and is highly recommended.